Now we have to cover the last group, irregular verbs, or those verbs they do not follow any of the general rules so far we learned, but each has a rather unique format of conjugation. Although irregular, they all change their endings within a given rule, and there are rather limited number of words. In the case of a car rule and a na rule, each refers one word only. Here are the details for irregular verbs. Car rule, the only word under this rule is ku, to come. It changes within car rule. 来ず、来たり、来ること、来れば、来よ。さ rule, the only word under this rule is す, to do. However, like this word in modern Japanese, する, す in old Japanese also worked with many Chinese-oriented words and play a role to assist them to behave as a verb. Thus, there were rather a big number of examples of this word. せず、したり、すること、せれば、せよ。な rule. Only one word under this rule. 死ぬ。死なず、死にたり、死ぬること、死ぬれば、死ね。La rule. Words such as ali, oli, habeli are under this rule. These words often worked like a helper verb to assist other verbs and to provide additional meanings. Thus, similarly, one could account on many examples. あり、あらず、ありたり、あること、あれば、あれ。By now, we have covered the basic rules on verb conjugation. Keep these rules in mind and try to analyze each verb based on those rules while approaching your reading of the first few articles.